This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen broth halal. First, understand that halal means permissible under Islamic law, focusing on ingredient sourcing and preparation. We will cover selecting appropriate meats, ensuring all flavorings are free from haram substances, and preparing a delicious, compliant broth. This step-by-step guide will help you create an authentic-tasting ramen that adheres to halal dietary guidelines, allowing everyone to enjoy this comforting dish. When building your halal ramen broth, the foundation is crucial. Opt for chicken or beef bones, ensuring they come from animals slaughtered according to Islamic principles. You can typically find these at certified halal butchers. Thoroughly clean about 2 pounds of bones before simmering them for several hours to extract maximum flavor. Remember, any pork products, including bones or fat, are strictly prohibited in halal cooking. Flavor is key in ramen, so selecting halal seasonings is vital. Look for halal-certified soy sauce, which is often produced to suppress alcohol content. Traditional mirin contains alcohol, so substitute it with a mixture of rice vinegar and about 1/2 teaspoon of sugar per tablespoon. For dashi, use kombu seaweed and ensure any bonito flakes are halal-sourced. Always check labels for hidden non-halal ingredients in all pastes and oils. Once your halal ingredients are ready, simmer the bones with aromatics like ginger, garlic, and leeks for at least 2 to 3 hours to develop a deep flavor. Skim any impurities from the surface to achieve a clear, rich broth. After straining, combine your flavorful broth with a halal tear, which is your seasoning base. Serve immediately with halal ramen noodles and your favorite halal toppings, such as perfectly soft-boiled eggs or sliced halal chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.